Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Fix It J back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm essentially going to be changing the fuel injectors on a 2008 Toyota Corolla Professional. So let's get it. Well, first things first, we essentially just going to have to open the gas cap for the car because it is a pressurized system. So in order to allow the fuel to release the pressure, we're first going to start just by opening the fuel cap right there. So yes, once it's open, we're just going to open the fuel tank just to release any pressure seen here. And from there, we're going to go and open the head. Lock it. Yeah, first thing that you want to do now after opening the hood is removing the battery. But as you can see, this car already doesn't have a battery, so we're just going to move on to the next step, which is now showing you where the fuel injectors are usually at. The fuel injectors on this car have already been removed, as you can see in these 4 open holes. And essentially, after opening the hood and removing the battery, first thing you'd want to do is removing the old fuel injectors. And the way that would be done is that you have to remove the 2 screws here. I believe they're 12 millimeters, these. And then from there, you're just going to remove this 10 millimeter. And then from there, you should be able to get the injector bracket out, which should allow you to remove the injectors. So let me just grab a 12 millimeter and then remove the bracket. 12 millimeter screws, and it should allow the bracket to come. The 2 12 millimeters are off, and then from there I'm just going to remove this 10 millimeter. This is one of the injectors that I recently just got to replace the old ones, and essentially how they sit is at the back of the bracket. They have a housing where you can just plug it in. You just wiggle it into the housing and it fits just like that. So essentially they'd be plugged in. You just want to remove it, then you just want to wiggle out, and then from there it comes out just like that. Okay, so now in my hand I have the 4 injectors that I'm going to replace in with the old ones. So essentially I'm just going to fit them onto the bracket, and then from there I'm going to slide them back into their housing, and then I'm just going to use the 2 12 millimeter bolts to tighten it back onto the engine. So let's do that. So placing them back, you just want to find the housing at the back of the bracket. Just pull it out a bit, and from there you're just going to slide it in. You should find a hole right under. You're just going to wiggle it in and it fits perfectly like that. So I'm just going to do that for all 4 before we... And as you can see, just like that, we have all 4 injectors back on the bracket. So now essentially we're just going to fit them back into their hole, and then we're going to use the 2 12 millimeter balls to put it back into place. So let's just do that. Back onto the car. Okay, now we have the injectors back in place. I'm just gonna fit this back into place. Nice and tight, okay. Then it seems the holding on this is broken, so I'm just gonna remove the old buttons at the back that you're just gonna press side to side, and then you can easily push it out just like that. And because I don't have a replacement, I'm just going to use a zip tie to keep it in place. The zip tie to keep it into its original position since the old bracket is broken off. And there we go. Yeah, nice and firm. Then I'm essentially just going to plug back the fuel lines into the injectors. And just wait to hear the click. And just like that. So from now you can just close off your fuel cap. And that's essentially how you replace injectors on a car. Just gonna put the battery in and get it started. And as you can see, it's literally that simple to change injectors on your car. I hope this video helps someone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Until the next one, Jay signing out.